Good morning, 50 plus people and third inning players. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful message which I received in the morning. It's about why we should be grateful for each and everything in our life. So, first of all, on behalf of all 50 plus, 60 plus people, I would like to be grateful to God for giving us this life above 50 years of age, because many of the people in the world don't cross this age. So, we all should be grateful that we are happy and healthy and at 50 plus. So there are so many reasons which were there in the that message which I received. So I just want to share with you a few of the things which you can relate to. So there was one thing which it mentioned that we should be grateful for the qualification which we got, and on that qualification we got a job in which we have spent so many years, and on the same qualification many of our friends have not got the jobs, and they were deprived of that job which we got because of the same qualification. So we should be grateful for that. The prayers the God has listened from us are the same prayers which were not listened by the God of some other people. So we should be grateful for the prayers which were given to us, which were listened by the God and given to us what we wanted. We should be grateful for that. So there is one other example that we should be grateful that on the same road on which we travel safely is the road where many people get accidents and get some damage to their body or their vehicles. So we should be grateful for safety of us which God has given us on daily basis. So there are some other examples that we should be grateful to the rains which has given us good crops, and the same rains have devastated somebody else crops. So everything and whatever we have got in our life is not because we have the power or we have the qualification or we have that kind of capability. It is the grace of God which has made us get all those things. Although we are working hard, and many other people are also working hard, but the thing is, until unless we are grateful, we show gratitude to God, to the universe, we will not be able to get many things in our life. So, my dear friends, you are 50 plus now. You should be grateful for everything, for your children, for your wife, for your siblings, for the house you live in, for the vehicle you drive. So, everything in the world, for the air you breathe, for the water you drink and water you bathe in, everything you should be grateful to the God that you have got such a beautiful life and such a beautiful house and everything which you own, which you think you own, but that is not your own. That is all universe that will remain here when you go from this earth to the heaven. So I am grateful. You should be grateful, and just tell me if you are not grateful what you are doing. So be grateful and enjoy the life. Thank you.